Cooking with Miss Raz and
Banana Pancakes.
ingredients.
Egg. Milk.
About 100 mils.
What is it?
Flour.
So what's that one?
That baking powder.
It's baking powder, yeah. And what's this?
Bananas. This. Can I do it?
Yeah, of course you can.
This is banana pancakes.
This is Banana Pancakes. Bowl?
Yeah.
Peel the bananas, break them up and put them into a bowl. Overripe bananas are brilliant because they make them super sweet and delicious.
Good girl.
Shake, shake, shake.
Best.
Now add the egg to the bananas.
Like this.
Oh.
Can you... Some milk?
Yeah.
Now pour in the milk so that all the wet ingredients is in one bowl.
Good pouring.
Now wiggle. Milk.
See what we're doing.
Now whiz it up with a hand blender, or if you haven't got one, you can just use a masher.
What ingredients is the dry ingredients? What do we need to pour in?
After flour.
Great pouring. Want to use the whiskey whisk?
Now add your last dry ingredients, which is your baking powder to make it rise. And then you're going to whisk it up until it's smooth and it kind of looks like cake batter, but a little bit looser.
You're doing a really good job.
I need sugar in there.
Oh, we don't need sugar. Do you want me to make it smooth?
Mm-hmm.
You ready? Go.
I'll do it.
Yeah.
I mix it and not eat it.
Yeah, mix it and not eat it yet. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Add it. Right. You?
Yeah.
And go, whee!
Fry in a lightly oiled pan for about 2 minutes on either side.
We just like doing mini ones, huh? Oh my goodness.
You can pretty much make them any size that you want to. Some are like medium-sized ones or really, really mini ones. You can also add any fruit that you want to. Sometimes we add some blueberries, which makes them bright blue.
They're going to eat them all? Are you going to give Mummy one? Thank you. Cheers. Yum, yum, everyone.
Izzy and I love cooking together. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did.